Good morning, student. Let me introduce myself. My name is Instructor Aaron. I have been graduated Accounting and Finance from Wonderland University. Now it's time to introduce yourself.
My name is Amina. I am from London.
Okay, thank you all of you for your introducing yourself. Today we try to learn material management. Materials management is simply the process by which an organization is supplied with the goods and services that it needs to achieve its objectives of buying, storage and movement of materials. Materials management refers to the function responsible for the coordination of planning, sourcing, purchasing, moving, storing and controlling materials in an optimum manner so as to provide a pre-decided service to the customer at a minimum cost. This involves materials planning, purchasing, receiving, storing, inventory control, scheduling, production, physical distribution and marketing. The next one is the importance of materials management. What is the importance of material management? Anyone who tell us about the importance of material management?
Materials management is important because materials consume the largest portion of expenditure in organizations. In many cases, more than 50% of the total expenditure of organizations is spent on materials. Materials management is a fertile ground to reduce cost and increase profitability of organizations. A saving of 5% in material cost will substantially increase the profit margin of an enterprise.
Very good, that is right. I appreciate you. Thank you for your participation. Okay, I think it's for today. If you have any questions, you are welcome. Unless otherwise, we stopped here our today learning session, and the next time we will try to learn importance of material management in detail. Thank you.
Thank you, our instructor, for time. It's clear for us.
Have a nice time. We will meet you in the afternoon.